Hi guys, it's JP. Today, I'm bringing you along my day habang ini-explain ko yung Project Care, my HS-105 final output. Coffee first, para buhay. For this project, I focused on Aboitiz Food Corporation. I interviewed my friend Marco, new employee siya, and he shared the struggles of adjusting, pressure, communication, and workload. Same vibes as us students minsan. Stress is real everywhere. So I talked to him to understand engagement and well-being challenges in the workplace.
My name is Marco Alexander Agtag. I am a Territory Business Manager in Aboitiz Foods under Filmico Foods Corporation. So my number is 0953352790, and my company email is marco.agtag@aboitiz.com.
While I get ready, let me share what I created. My project is called Let's Skip the Basic Project Care. Basically, it aims to help both the students and employees feel more supported, more aware of themselves, and healthier emotionally. Its goals are super simple: to help people understand themselves better, to improve communication and engagement, and to support their emotional well being. How do we do that? Through quick wellness check ins, peer support groups, stress management activities, and empathy based engagement sessions. Parang skincare lang. Small habits, big impact. With this program, I'm hoping that people feel more confident, more connected, and less burnt out. Whether employee ka or student, everyone deserves a healthy environment. We'll measure success sa feedback, participation, and kung may improvements ba sa well-being and engagement. Kung mas nagiging active, mas positive yung environment, then it's working. Lunch break. Recharge muna bago mag-live ulit. Ito yung everyday environment natin. And hopefully, Project Care can make spaces like this feel more supportive. This event also reminded me of HS 105 about self awareness, empathy, emotions, and becoming a well integrated person. Everything we learned connects to this project. Project Care brings those theories to real life, helping people understand themselves and build healthier relationships. At the end of the day, all we want is balance and peace of mind. And Project Care is my way of promoting that. Dinner with my classmates. Honestly, moments like this show how important connection is. Support system talaga. Heading my home now, and ayun guys, that's Project Care. A reminder that even in busy environments, care and compassion make everything better. Thanks for watching, and see you sa next vlog.